Hi guys, this is Parth from FTC Team 7477 Super 7, and today we're going to be talking about how to easily find servo positions for your robot. So obviously when you're building a robot, you're going to have servos on it to program, and a lot of the time it can be hard to accurately find the positions for the servos on each mechanism. So today I'm just going to be quickly showing you a simple way to go about doing this. So let's just use what we learned before in the series to initialize a servo, and we'll just call it, let's call it an arm servo equals new servo equals, sorry, hardware map, get. Remember, that's how you declare a servo. And remember the methods of the servo: arm.setPosition, arm.scaleRange, and stuff like that. Get position, stuff like that. So the first step you want to do is create a testing program. So what we're going to do is we're going to set the arm servo to an arbitrary value. And I like to make this 0.5. And usually what this can do is it'll set the position to like a middle position. So if there's a chance of breaking a mechanism if your servo moves too much or something, what I would do first is set a servo programmer to it. And you can use any type of servo programmer, GoBuilder or Rev, and just see its range of motion. And try to get the middle range of motion of the servo to the middle range of motion on the servo programmer. This makes it really easy and allows you to use 0.5 as a starting point for your positions. We will probably be doing a video about using servo programmers in the future. So then your normal tally-op structure, and now what you want to do is simply assign a gamepad control. I usually like to do D-pad up to your servo. And what you can do is set it to the current position plus a set value to keep it incrementing. To make it the motion slow but also a bit smooth, I like to do 0.02. I found this to be pretty smooth but also not super slow. You can increment up and down, but 0.002 is a pretty good spot for me. Again, next you want to add one control for the other way as well, so we can just do the opposite with a different button. And then, of course, we want to set our telemetry position. Our telemetry data, so we can actually see what the servo position is. And you can just simply set this to arm.getPosition. And then don't forget to call your telemetry to update. And this will be a simple way to set servo positions, but manually. And yeah.